Hello everyone, welcome to another Forex forecast with Blue Pips Forex. I'm Francis, and in today's forecast I'm going to be talking about AudJpy, and as usual I'm going to be making a full breakdown of this pair from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frames. I'll be highlighting the major levels of structure in the market and where I expect the price to go over the next couple of months, weeks or days as the case may be. So without further ado, let's get down to the forecast. Alright, so before I start, please if you are not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe now. If you enjoy our forecasts normally, please click on the like button right now. So let's get down to today's forecast. Alright, so this is the monthly time frame on AudJpy, and what we can see immediately from the monthly time frame is that we have this multi-year descending channel at this point. You can see how we found support and resistance multiple times at the resistance and support of this channel. You can see those areas right here. You can see from this area we had resistance at this point, and after that, before the resistance we had support at this point. Then from this support we had the rise to this resistance, we had two rejection before we had the next push down to support at this point, and after this support right here we had the next push to the resistance at this point. So from the monthly time frame kind of situation we have right here, we have price at the resistance of a monthly channel, and we can see that last month failed to give us a monthly close above this channel. So this means we might actually see this area hold as resistance for the next move downwards again over the next couple of months. But it's also important to note that last month's candle was pretty aggressive and it came with strong momentum, so there's still a possibility for the next move higher. So from the monthly time frame we have resistance, and as long as resistance remains intact, at least on a weekly closing basis, then we would most likely see the next move lower on AudJpy. So let's see what we have from the weekly time frame. Alright, so here we go on the weekly time frame, and what we can clearly see from the weekly time frame is the way last week's candle rejected the resistance of this multi-year channel right here, and after such resistance what we could expect next will be a move lower. However, we can see that the next major level of structure we have is at this point right here. You can see that we had resistance at this point, we had resistance, and if I'm going to pick up an horizontal line and put on that level, you can see how this area is holding strongly as resistance. We have resistance, you can see how we had support at this point, and if we are going to scroll back, we are going to see that area hold as support multiple times. We can see it right here. We have support, so that's a major level of support we should be paying attention to in the market. So as long as price remains above this area right here, we might see consolidation or another push higher. But with what we have now, today is just Tuesday, and Tuesday's candle is about to close. However, when we get to the daily time frame we are going to analyze that, but we can see that this week is already coming down with strong momentum lower, so we might actually see a break of this structure. So however, from the weekly time frame we had we still have price above here, and this week is has not yet closed, so we might still have a rejection of this support right here. However, let's see what we have from the daily time frame. Alright, so this is the daily time frame, and what we can see clearly from the daily time frame is that we had this ascending channel right here. You can see from there we had the support at this point, we had the next rise to the resistance, which was actually a major level of resistance back here. Then we had the retest of support, and after the support we had the next move to the resistance of this channel at this point, and after that move we have price at support right now. You can see how today's candle is threatening to close. It's threatening to close as a full daily impulse, which means we might see a break of this ascending channel right here, following what we have from the monthly time frame. But as usual, until this support is broken right here, then we don't want to be taking any trades, because when trading you have to react to what you see and not predict. When you predict, then it means you are gambling, but when you react, it means there are certain things you want to see before you take a trade on any pair. So right now we have price at support, and with price at this support, I'll be watching out for this area. If tomorrow's candle will give me a daily close below this whole area of structure right here, then at that point I'll start looking for short trades for the continuation of the move we have from the monthly time frame. And if on the other hand I'll get a rejection of this area of structure right here, that's seeing this resistance we have right here at this point hold as support back here, then I'm going to be looking for long opportunities, at least to these highs right here, before we start watching out to see how the price will progress, if we'll be seeing further rise in the price of AudJpy, or if we'll be seeing maybe a little bit more move within the channel over the next couple of weeks or months. So that's just all I have from AudJpy. I will just be watching out. At least I will want to see how tomorrow's candle will play out. If we will have a rejection of this area, that's if we will see this 76.53 level hold as support this week, or if we are going to see a daily close below that area, meaning if we are going to see this area fail to hold as support. So if we see this area hold as support, then we'll start looking for long opportunities on this pair. But if we see a daily close below this area, then we expect to see a retest of this area as resistance, and if it will hold as resistance, then we start looking for short opportunities to some of these lows right here. So this is all on AudJpy. If you enjoyed this forecast, do well to smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification to enable you get forecasts whenever we drop them. Share this video with your friends. Until we meet in the next analysis, stay safe and remain profitable.